Hello everyone, I'm Shubham Jain, an equity research intern with inSAKE Solutions. The topic given today was investment banking and culture and its prerequisites to join as an investment banker. So firstly, let's start with what is investment banking. Investment banking is a special segment of banking operations that are carried out by investment bankers in order to raise capital for corporations, governments, or any client of them. And it acts as an intermediary between investors and raiser of funds. Now let's come to what do you expect from investment banking industry. First is dynamic work nature. Investment banking is an industry which requires an individual to consistently improve and build upon that on a regular basis. The industry demands a lot of dynamicism from an individual and the team in order to get the most out of the investment banking, in order to fulfill the demands of the clients. Second thing is work-life balance. It becomes a lot challenging to seek out work-life balance out of investment banking industry. There are huge pressures and working deadlines that an investment banker has to meet in order to meet the goals of the clients. So there is very less chances of work-life balance in the life of an investment banker. Third one is teamwork and collaboration. If you are an investment banker, you continuously need to interact and collaborate with other team members, from other divisions and departments on a regular basis, and it is a prerequisite in order to excel as an organization. Fourth one is client-focused approach. As I said, that investment banking industry is client-oriented, and all the persons together need to fulfill all the requirements of the clients. Fourth one is client-focused approach. As I said, that investment banking is a totally client-oriented industry, and all the investment bankers together try to fulfill the demands and goals of its clients by providing tailor-made solutions and different structured and unstructured products to them. Fifth one is strategic and professional growth. Now, apart from the challenges, the professional and strategic growth is immense, as if you put in a lot of effort into one thing, you definitely got to know about a lot about the industry and become an expert into it. The last one is compensation packages. Now, as the investment banking industry requires a lot of hours in research situations, the salary package and compensation is also lucrative. The investment banking industry provides really lucrative incentives and compensation packages. The incentives are a humongous part of the salary structure, and it correctly reflects the amount of pressure and amount of working hours and amount of effort that you put in. This was about the banking industry culture and what you can expect as an investment banker from the industry. Apart from that, I would like to thank inSAKE Solutions to every day give us a different topic to research on, so that the learning remains consistent throughout in the financial industry, and every individual is learning something new every day. Thank you.